In this lesson, you will learn what the GRE test, who takes it, and other basic background information about the test. GRE is conducted by Educational Testing Services, that is ETS. Test is mainly computer based. They do offer paper based tests as well, but they are very rare. So most likely you are going to take test on computer. GRE revised general test, a standardized test of verbal, math and writing skills for students who are entering graduate or business schools. GRE is standardized test, that is the test pattern is same as previous year pattern. Validity of GRE score is for 5 years. GRE is about 3 hours and 45 minutes long, including a 10-minute break. That is approximately time of test will be of 4 hours. GRE is an important part of your application package. If you want to apply admission in master's or PhD program in US, GRE score is necessary for that. Now here how to learn GRE. The best advice that I can give you is to be diligent. Preparing for the GRE is not an overnight process. It should take you weeks to thoroughly become familiar with the test format. Rushing through practice question and practice test is also not a good idea. You want to choose a plan and stick to it. So here, our first point is learning the best approach. Crafting studying technique is something more tactical and personal that you will have to do on your own based on what you know about how you best learn. So, start by creating a realistic schedule of daily work. Next is accurate preparation materials. Material which include practice problem and practice text. Next is practice and focus. Regular practice can help you to score good marks in GRE. Our next part is subject areas of GRE. Basically, there are three areas in GRE: essay, verbal, and mathematics. In essay, there is one section in which there will be two essays, which will take 30 minutes each. In verbal, there will be two sections, and their questions in that section will be 20, and it will take 30 minutes. In math, there will be two sections in which there were 20 questions, and it will take 35 minutes. There is one more section which is experimental section or undefined section. This section was not contributed to your score, but you will know which one it is. The section could be a verbal or a quant section. Uh, so our next is GRE scoring. Here the verbal score will be from 130 to 170. Quant score will be from 130 to 170. So total GRE score points will be 260 to 340. And in analytic writing score, it will be 0 to 6. If you score less than 260, then that score will be just equal to 0. So here the difficulty level of test. First verbal and math section will be average difficult, not that high level, but it will be average. Next section will be easier or average as compared to first section. Doing well on first section is more important than doing on that second section. Now here is the structure of quant. First one is quant comparison. There will be approximately 7 questions in which you have to judge the relative sizes of two quantities. It will take 75 seconds for per question. Next is discrete quant. There will be approximately 10 questions, and it includes multiple choice questions with more than one answers, or numeric data entry questions, and it will take 2 minutes per question. Our next is data interpretation. There will be approximate 3 questions in it, and you have to pull data from different type of graphs, and it will take 2 minutes per question. Next is for verbal. So in verbal, first one is text completion, and there will be approximately 6 questions in it. You have to find the best fit for a blank or blanks in a sentence, and it will take 1 minute per question. Next one is sentence equivalence, and there will be approximately 4 questions in it. You have to pick 2 words that complete sentence equivalently, and it will take 1 minute per question. Next is reading comprehension. There will be approximately 10 questions, and you have to answer questions on a given passage. It will take 1 minute or 1.5 minutes per question. So here next is analytic writing. There will be 2 essay. First one is analyzing an issue, and next second one will be analyzing an argument. So here is this GRE structure. Always first, as soon as you walk through the door and sit down on a computer, you have to write 2 half-an-hour long essay. Those have own separate scale scores from 0 to 6, and then in any random order following them, you will take 2 verbal sections and 2 quant sections that contribute to your overall score. Each of the section will have 20 questions. On a verbal side, you have a half hour per section, and on section you get 35 minutes per section. There are 2 other unscored sections that you will receive, and there is no way to know until you go to that section. So that's all about the introduction part of the GRE.